Dear participants, myself, Dr. Vijay Kumar Dalla, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, also one of the coordinators of this workshop and project PI. The project is funded by TiHAN at Hyderabad. My two other coordinators are Dr. Ashok Kumar Barik and Dr. Prashant Kumar. This workshop conducted by the Department of Mechanical Engineering NIT Jamshedpur. It is 5 days workshop FDP on basic robotics to underwater exploration using AUVs and ROVs. So it has unique feature just like a NEP model. One can register, attend for 2 days for basic robotics learning and last 2.5 days for the underwater robotics explorations. And on first Sunday, school students are invited for their model prototype exhibition and also hackathon, and it is open for all the students, whether the UGPG or the school students. See the resource persons in these flags, mainly they are from industries. So here, why not to make network with the industry and academia? This project is supported by TiHAN, IIT Hyderabad. By this kind of skill development, it gives opportunity to enhance our skill. It gives opportunity to networking with various fields like academic, industries, schools, colleges. So let's come. Why not to come forward and do something? Why not to collaborate? Our labs are open. We have developed a newly robotics and lab and robotics club, robotics and automation club at NIT Jamshedpur. It has 40 students, big number of students. So we welcome you. Why not to collaborate? Come here with the project ideas, with your innovative minds, and let's do it, work together to give technological solutions, because it's a time to give, to deliver something. It's a time for startup, it's a time for entrepreneurship. So we welcome you. Please come together and work together, and definitely then we will have something as outcome from this workshop. Once again, welcome. Thank you.